Far away, the planet Zorplon has been destroyed. Two brave aliens must find a new home.
Our world is gone.
I found a planet called Earth. We can live there if they let us.
But Earth is not so welcoming at first.
Who are you? Why are you here? They probably come to take our snacks.
We just want to save our home.
The aliens decide to show that they mean no harm.
These are rare crystals. They can power your machines without pollution.
And we will share how to grow food even at space.
But before sealing the deal, the aliens had one very important question.
Is this edible?
Only one way to find out.
I think I love Earth.
Then the aliens revealed their greatest gift.
These crystals can fix any disease.
Any disease? Even the ones we can't fix?
Yes, you don't need to suffer anymore.
Then welcome to Earth, friends. We were wrong about you. Thank you for helping us. And you can have some snacks too.
Friends? Friends.
And from that day, humans and aliens worked together to make Earth a better home for everyone.
VRAcademi. Empowered minds shaping tomorrow.